Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. CD 5 is Prabhupada, John's. Complete surrender is a process that starts with mind control. Our concern is with specific sent ones. You know, avatar means sent one. Shelter is by example, and in the acknowledgement and then acknowledging the impact of God. CD 6, the goddess, that's what it says, of fortune. Beyond, and what creation, beyond what creation can do and think up. We rely on the grace of even opportunity. Give yourself the action to consciously, not your own. No matter how much we experience or understand, there is no limit to how much the manifestations have to teach us of God. CD 7. Viba Viare Sesa. Always rise in the twilight and don't sleep through the day. We should vibrate mantras before the sunrise. Find purpose beyond the material. Pray for the deliverance from the thieves of illusion and delusion, and to be reconditioned. Find purpose beyond the mental achievement. Identify with the downing and in exposing. Some look to the reflection, and others the object. Act to be pleasing in even the face of what others see as transgression, and counteract the witchcraft. The best sacrifices are ourselves. Avoid the ways that are not of your level of understanding. Be ready to express and enjoy the wise, though. Keeping something is best found outside of the thieves. Company, well, that would be an example, wouldn't it? People in general, especially in the age of Kali, are enamored by the external energy of Krishna, and they wrongly think that by advancement of material comforts, every man will be happy. They have no knowledge that the material or external nature is very strong, for everyone is strongly bound by the stringent laws of material nature. A living entity is happily the part and parcel of the Lord, belonging to, and thus his natural function is to render immediate service to the Lord. By the spell of illusion, one tries to be happy by serving personal sense gratification in different forms, which will never make him happy. And the system of the devotee, the parampara, the disciplic succession, is in ISKCON considered to be the way. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipotent, present, God of light, all attractive, God of sound, all enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Experience, actualize the sacred formulas that you use.